things that go bump and awoo in the night. You're lying in bed, you're falling asleep. Then you hear some strange and spooky noises through your window. What's going on outside at night? Boys and girls, put your first name, last name, and date at the bottom of your Scholastic News. Spooky night sounds. Learn the truth behind the creepy sounds you hear at night. As you read, think about what animal sounds you have heard at night. Whoo! The first thing you hear sounds like an eerie voice saying, "Whoo! Whoo! Eek! Is it a ghost?" Nope, it's an owl. Owls wake up at night to hunt for mice and other animals. Then they go back to their nests and make a hooting sound. That sounds like someone's asking, "Who?" They hoot to tell other animals, "This is my nest. Stay away." Awoo! The next noise is a long, scary howl. Awoo! Then you hear some other sounds. Yip, yip, woof. It's a pack of werewolves? Not at all. It's just coyotes. Coyotes howl, yip, and bark. It's how they communicate. That means to share information. Coyotes are active in the dark night. They can't see each other. They howl and yip to say, "Hey, I'm over here." Bump, boom, smash. Suddenly, you hear super loud banging and crashing. Oh no! This one must be a monster. No way. It's a raccoon. Raccoons go out at night to find food. Sometimes they catch fish. Sometimes they grab fruits or nuts. But they often look for food somewhere else, in a trash can. They dig in the can for a snack. They might knock over the trash can lid or bump into a bin. Crash! Bump! Do raccoons make these noises to communicate? Nope. They're not doing it on purpose. They're just excited to get into the yummy trash. By Blair Ransford. They come out at night. Owls, coyotes, and raccoons are nocturnal. They are mostly active during the night. What is one reason nocturnal animals come out at night? Hint, think about what raccoons are looking for. Coyote parents teach their pups to howl.
Dance break!
Let's move and dance. Flap your wings. Fly high. Higher. Now fly low to the ground. Go lower. Now close your wings and give yourself a big fat hug. Let's dance one more time. Let's move and dance. Clap your Where's my magic ground? Go lower. Now close your wings and give yourself a big fat hug.
Freeze! Now take a deep breath in. 1, 2, 3. Let it out. 3, 2, 1. Now, up to the ground.
Read the chart to learn about the different times of day animals can be active. So this chart is called Which Animals Are Active? Diurnal. Diurnal. What it means? Mostly active during the day. Some diurnal animals are butterflies, ducks. Crepuscular. Crepuscular. What it means is mostly active during sunrise and sunset. Some crepuscular animals are deer and foxes. Nocturnal. Nocturnal. What it means? Mostly active during the night. Some nocturnal animals are, you should put 2 animals you read about from the inside of your Scholastic News and write them on the line. Yes, you can draw a picture next to the words. Use your Scholastic News for correct spelling. Question 1. What are some nocturnal animals you read about? Fill in the last box on the chart. Again, look in your Scholastic News for correct spelling. Question 2. A crepuscular animal is mostly active during the day, sunrise and sunset, or the night. So let's find crepuscular on the chart and see if it's active during the day, sunrise and sunset, or at night. When is it active? Question 3. Which one is diurnal? Is a deer diurnal? Is an owl diurnal? Or a duck diurnal? Find diurnal on the chart and which animal is diurnal? Deer, owl, or duck? A fox is diurnal, crepuscular, or nocturnal. Which one is a fox?
The truth about creepy creatures. What's that screeching in the night? Is it a creepy monster with big fangs and sharp teeth? Nope, it's just this cat. It may seem silly to be frightened by such a cute creature, but sometimes animals can seem scary, especially around Halloween. These animals aren't trying to be scary, they're just living their lives. So let's take a look at these creepy creatures. Sometimes when you learn the science about an animal, it doesn't seem so scary anymore. Picture this. You're walking through a dark basement. It's gloomy and gray. Suddenly, you feel wispy strings all over you. Yikes! You bumped into a spider web. You might feel creeped out to be covered with these silky threads. But this was not Halloween trick. The spider worked hard to make that web. Webs help spiders survive. Spiders make imagine that you're walking in the woods and you hear the leaves rustling. Eek! A long, skinny snake darts out of the leaves and slithers by your feet. Snakes might look creepy slithering around on their bellies, but it's not their fault. They don't have feet. They can't walk around like other animals do. It's not totally silly to be afraid of snakes. Some snakes, like this rattlesnake, are venomous. That means their bodies can make poison called venom. These snakes bite their prey with their hollow fangs. Venom goes through the snake's fangs into their prey. It hurts or kills the prey. It sounds frightening, but it's how snakes get the food they need to eat. But even venomous snakes can be helpful. Some scientists use snake venom to make medicines. These medicines keep a lot of people healthy. Let's set the last scene. You're sitting outside as the sun sets. You hear a flapping noise. It's getting closer and closer. Is someone flying a kite at nighttime? No, it's a bat. Bats may seem scary because they come out only at night, but that's the best time for them to be awake. Bigger predators that would want to eat them are sleeping. The bats can look for food to eat in peace. Bats eat many different things. Some munch on insects. Other bats eat fruit. And some even drink blood from animals. So if you see a bat out at night, you'll know it's just looking for something to eat. That's how it survives. Halloween animals may build spooky homes. They may move in weird ways or hide in the dark. But they're not trying to scare you. They're just doing what comes naturally.